Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to sync your contacts on TikTok. It's very simple and easy process. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. So let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok application on your mobile phone. Then you will see profile icon in the bottom right hand side. So tap on it. Then in the TikTok profile, you will see a hamburger menu on the top right corner. Tap on it. Then you will see the settings and privacy option in the bottom. So tap on settings and privacy. Next on the settings and privacy page, you will see the privacy option in account section. So tap on privacy. Next on the privacy page, you will see the option sync contacts and Facebook friends. So tap on this option sync contacts and Facebook friends. Then on the next page, you will see the option of sync contacts. Simply turn on this toggle button and you can see sync contacts option turned on. So this is how you can sync your contacts on TikTok.